another day, another English lesson. Nothing, something, anything. Plus adjective, plus infinitive. Hello everyone. Today we will look at a structure that describes something that is not specific, beginning with nothing, anything, or something. But we can make it more specific by adding an adjective and an infinitive. The adjective tells us a little more about the thing, and the infinitive tells us about its function. Here's the pattern. Something, nothing, anything, plus adjective, plus infinitive. For example, I have something fun to do this weekend. She has nothing important to say right now. Do you have anything interesting to read? Notice how the adjective adds more information. You can choose almost any adjective that fits. So when do we use each word? Something is for positive sentences. For example, I want something tasty to eat. Nothing, of course, shows zero or absence. For example, there's nothing new to report. Anything is used in questions and negatives. For example, is there anything good to watch on TV? This structure is short, simple, and very common in everyday English. Once you start noticing it, you'll hear it all the time, in TV shows, in conversations, podcasts, and even in songs. Now, complete the sentences with the structure nothing, something, anything, plus adjective, plus infinitive. Use the words in parentheses. They are not always in the correct order. One, is there anything exciting to watch on TV? 2. She bought something interesting to read at the bookstore. 3. Can you find anything useful to buy at this yard sale? 4. He has nothing fun to do at home today. 5. He bought something colorful to wear for the party. 6. He had nothing important to say in the meeting. 7. She has something delicious to eat in the fridge. 8. Is there anything easy to cook for dinner tonight? 9. The police found nothing unusual to report in the garden. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more lessons.